Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign into your existing account on DreamComeTrue AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in dreamcometrue.ai and press enter. You will now be taken into the official DreamComeTrue website. Now in order to log into your existing account, click on the Join Now button at the top right corner and you will now end up in the sign in portal. Now in order to log in, simply type in your username followed by your password. After typing them both, simply click on the login button at the bottom section and this will now automatically log you in to your account. And now you can start using the DreamComeTrue platform for various purposes. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on DreamComeTrue AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.